The Basic Chart Tools tabs. Once you have a graph created or chart and you select it, the Chart Tools tab appears. It has three specific parts: the design, the layout, and format, all of the selected chart. Let's take a second and look at each one of these tabs. The Design tab. This is a tab that allows us to change the basic features of the chart type. If I select it, I can change the different chart types, XY scatters, and all the other possible charts also. Like I said, we're going to concentrate mainly on the XY scatter options. You can also save it as a template if it's something you're going to do over and over again. We can switch the rows and columns, which in this case, if I select it, it makes no sense, but we'll switch it back. You can also select the data if you have other data you'd like to chart also. We're going to look at that later. The different chart layouts. We're in layout 1 as we speak, but there's other ones available. You have the different chart styles. You can change red, green, the different color of your markers and lines. And you can even move the chart location. The Layout tab. We can format our selection. We can add pictures, shapes, ready-made shapes such as lines. I'll go ahead and undo that, which is very helpful when you put out max and mins or specific points on the graph that are of interest. You can insert text boxes where you can type in comments. Let me undo that. You can change the chart title or position, centered, overlaid, or above. Same thing with your axis titles, horizontal and vertical. Several options for the legend. And data labels. We can also change the axes, the format of the axes, and grid lines. So if I wanted to add some vertical grid lines, that's where we go. The format, we can add borders around the chart. We can do shape fills, depending on what we have in mind. Shape effects, word art, and many other options. So just remember, when you're creating a chart, once you have the basics, you can go to your Chart Tools tabs, Design, Layout, and Format, to change the looks of the chart and add any options that you need.